be seeing a number of Spitfires here tonight. Not only a spiritual, but the actual home for a great many Spitfires. And also a Seafire from the Royal Naval Historic from your right, ladies and gentlemen. Where you can really see the difference between the two aircraft, from the lithe monocoque construction of the Spitfire to a much more rugged workmanlike shape. The Hawker Hurricane, of course, as I said, very much biplane technology, started life entirely as a metal frame. Even the outer wings and the rear fuselage were covered in fabric. The rear fuselage was to remain covered in fabric throughout its development, but very quickly the outer wings became covered in metal, simply because the fabric started to distort. The Hurricane was so much faster than biplanes of the period, similar biplanes of the period like the Hawker Fury and so on and so forth. But its much higher speed meant that the fabric covering just simply wasn't strong enough to cope with the airways, with the speed the aircraft could fly. So consequently very quickly replaced by metal outer panels. We were saying about the Spitfire's development potential.